What if the key to your financial freedom lies in your daily routines? Stay tuned as we reveal the surprising habits that could be holding you back. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that affects millions: the habits that can keep you stuck in the middle class. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. While many strive for financial freedom, certain everyday behaviors can unknowingly hold you back from achieving your goals. We'll explore the top 8 middle-class habits that may seem harmless, but can significantly impact your financial future. From spending patterns to mindset shifts, these habits can create a cycle of limitation that's hard to break. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize these pitfalls, but also gain insights on how to transform them into positive actions. Number 8. Staying in a comfort zone. While it may seem appealing to stick with what you know, remaining in your comfort zone can stifle personal growth and limit opportunities for advancement. Unlike higher-ranked habits that actively drain your finances, staying in a comfort zone subtly undermines your potential by preventing you from taking risks. It keeps you from exploring new career paths, investing in yourself, or even starting that side hustle you've been dreaming about. Its long-term effects can quietly keep you from achieving financial independence. Number 7. Ignoring financial education. This habit represents a critical gap in knowledge that can severely impact your financial well-being. Many individuals overlook the importance of understanding basic financial principles, such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. This ignorance can lead to poor financial decisions, like overspending or failing to invest wisely. Unlike staying in a comfort zone, which offers a sense of security, ignoring financial education actively leaves you vulnerable to financial pitfalls. While it may not seem as immediately harmful as higher-ranked habits, the long-term consequences can be devastating, preventing you from building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Investing time in financial education can empower you to make informed choices and secure a brighter future. Number 6. Focusing on instant gratification. This habit embodies the allure of immediate pleasure over long-term benefits. In a world driven by convenience, the temptation to indulge in quick purchases or experiences can overshadow the importance of saving and investing. Instant gratification often leads to impulsive spending on luxury items or entertainment, diverting funds from essential savings or investments. Unlike the more subtle effects of ignoring financial education, the consequences of this habit are immediate and visible, often resulting in regret and financial strain. While it may provide a fleeting sense of happiness, prioritizing instant gratification can derail your financial goals, making it crucial to cultivate patience and a focus on future rewards for lasting success. Number 5. Not budgeting. This habit represents where the money you do earn gets wasted away. Failing to create and stick to a budget can lead to chaotic spending, making it nearly impossible to track where your money goes each month. Without a budget, you may find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, unable to save for emergencies or future goals. Unlike focusing on instant gratification, which offers immediate pleasure, not budgeting creates a long-term cycle of financial instability. It can lead to mounting debt and stress, as unexpected expenses catch you off guard. Establishing a budget empowers you to allocate funds wisely, prioritize savings, and ultimately take control of your financial destiny. It is a crucial step toward wealth building. Number 4. Relying on credit cards. This habit has the potential to create a cycle of debt that can be hard to escape. While credit cards offer convenience and rewards, relying on them for everyday expenses can lead to overspending and accumulating high-interest debt. Unlike not budgeting, which stems from a lack of planning, relying on credit cards often reflects a mindset of immediate access to funds. This means you do not consider the long-term consequences. This habit can quickly spiral out of control, resulting in monthly payments that eat away at your income and hinder your ability to save. By prioritizing credit over cash flow, you risk sacrificing financial stability, making it essential to use credit cards judiciously. It will help you to maintain a balanced approach to spending. Number 3. Avoiding investments. This habit represents a significant barrier to wealth accumulation and financial growth. Many individuals shy away from investing due to fear, lack of knowledge, or the misconception that it requires a large sum of money to start. By avoiding investments, you miss out on the power of compound interest and the potential for your money to grow over time. Unlike relying on credit cards, which can lead to immediate financial strain. Avoiding investments stunts your long-term financial potential. This habit can keep you tethered to a stagnant financial situation, preventing you from building wealth and achieving financial independence. Embracing investment opportunities, no matter how small, can set you on a path toward a more prosperous future. Number 2, neglecting savings. This habit directly undermines your financial security and future aspirations. When individuals prioritize spending over saving, they forgo the safety net that savings provide in times of emergency or unexpected expenses. Unlike avoiding investments, which can limit growth potential, neglecting savings leaves you vulnerable to financial crises. This can force you to become more reliant on credit or loans. This habit can create a cycle of stress and instability, making it difficult to achieve long-term goals like homeownership or retirement. By failing to set aside even a small portion of your income, you miss out on the peace of mind that comes with having a financial cushion. Cultivating a savings habit is essential for building a secure and prosperous future. Number 1, living beyond your means. This habit claims the top spot as the most detrimental behavior that keeps individuals trapped in financial struggle. Living beyond your means involves consistently spending more than you earn, often fueled by a desire to maintain a certain lifestyle or keep up with peers. This reckless approach leads to mounting debt, financial stress, and a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Unlike neglecting savings, which can be a gradual slip, living beyond your means is an active choice that directly jeopardizes your financial health. It creates a facade of wealth while eroding your financial foundation. Breaking free from this habit is crucial for achieving true financial stability and independence, allowing you to build a future based on sustainable choices rather than fleeting appearances. In this video, we explored the top 8 middle-class habits that keep you poor. Each habit, from neglecting savings to avoiding investments, highlights the subtle yet powerful ways our daily choices can impact our financial futures. By recognizing these behaviors, you can take proactive steps to break free from the cycle of limitation and pave the way toward financial independence. We encourage you to delve deeper into these topics and consider how you can do the opposite for each one. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with awareness and action, so take that first positive step today.